What is long? What is round? Class 2 Maths. Dear kids, we see different types objects all around us. Out of them, some are long, some are round, and some are in other shape. We can see these objects all around us at our home, in our school, in our kitchen, in our public park or garden. Now, have a look on some long objects. These are some long objects like gate, tree, door, cupboard, paper, eraser, scale or ruler, book, which is also called textbook, pen, pencil, bottle, chair, table, tube light, dustbin, color pen, geometry box, children, bus, cucumber, knife, and giraffe. All these are also long in size. Now have a look on round objects. These are found in round shape like clock, coin, bottle cap, pencil, bindi, tire, plate, sun, ball and bottle, wheel, bowl, pot, bangle, bubble, ring, glass, marbles, chapati. All these things are found in round shape. There are some vegetables and sweets also which we can see in round shape like tomato, laddu, apple, gulab jamun, rasgulla, etc. things. Now let's know about long as well as round objects. Kids, there are some objects which are long as well as round in their size like pencil. Pencil is long as well as round in its shape. Glass, pot and bottle. These are also in round and long shape. Now some exercise. Look around you and write the name of given objects. Kids, have a look around you and see or observe different things and write some long objects name and some round objects name given in the box. So first let's know about long objects name. These are bat, cucumber, board, door, pencil, pen, table, book, paper, bottle and other things also. Now round objects like ball, bottle, glass, cap, ring, bangle, coin, tomato, pot, etc. things. There are other objects also which may be in long or round shape. Now question 2. Circle the long objects. Kids observe all these given things and circle the long objects. Tomato. This is long or round? No, this is not long object. This is round. Now, water bottle. Is this long? Yes, this is long, so we have to circle it. Next is clock. A clock is round. Next is a cucumber. Yes, a cucumber is long in size. Now a bowl, it is round in shape. This is not long object. So bottle and cucumber is long objects. Very good. Kids, now observe the picture and tell two round things name. Kids, you can see here a picture. So just observe it very carefully and see the things which are round in shape and write or tell their name here. Tell me which are in round shape. Yes, a clock. Very good. A clock is in round shape. Very good. Second, eyes. Yes, children's eyes also in round shape. Very good. Now other objects are in round shape. These are globe, tube, eyeglasses. All these are in round shape. So dear kids, I hope you have learned about long and round objects. So you also have a look around you and try to find out different long and round things name. Thank you.